us are born with a miraculous ability to determine the direction from which sounds approach us.
Let us venture into new and uncharted land.
People that shook up, when I introduced as God.
Energetic, poetic and athletic. You know I get down and dirty when it's time to set it. I'm tearing through, clean your scene like ammonia. I drown ya, flood four corners, the perimeter. I wonder, cause earthquakes, bolts and lightning. You couldn't test the one and only Mike Titan. Afura, now you hear it, now you know it. The body of the life force came forth just to show us. Crucial, lyrical style ain't what it used to. Microphone check 1, 2. I hit the atmosphere, give MCs visions of comets. Technique hit by force the earth, I hit and bomb it. Immaculate conception with the weapon, emitting mind-boggling forms to mental sections. Beats is cooked, bass burning like it's lava. Throwing shit together more iller than MacGyver. I never tire, spirit live like a wire. I came to let you know fantasies burn like desires. Before I go on this mic, I show pity. Coast to coast, I whirlwind through cities. Yeah, I whirlwind through cities. Influential, scientific power. My mental violence will shower, devour at a crazy rate. Enterprising, uprising, surprising. I rap for listeners, blunt heads, fly ladies and prisoners, Hennessy holders and old school niggas, then I'll be dissing her. Unofficials that mo woolly tie. I dropped out of coolie high, gas the bar, cocaine, cutie pie, jungle survivor, fuck who's the lava. My man put the battery in my back, a difference from energizer. Sentence begins attentive with formality, moderation's infinite, money wise of physiology, poetry that's a part of me. Retardedly bop, I dropped the ancient manifested hip hop, straight off the block. I reminisce of park jazz. My man was shot for a sheep coat. Chocolate blessing make me see him dropping my weed smoke. It's real, grew up in trife life, the times of white lines, the hype pipes, murderous night times, the night fights and bright crimes. Chill on the block with cognac, strap with my peeps that's in the drug money market interact. No sign of the beast in a blue Chrysler. I guess that means peace for niggas. No shice device to just snipe ya. Start off the dice, roll a match for crap to CeeLo. With side bets, so roll the deuce, nothing below. Peace God. Now the shit is explained. I'm taking niggas on a trip straight through memory lane. It's like that, y'all. It's like that, y'all. Chance. Mom kicked me out the house when I was flipping. I'm the man. Put the boys on the street, make them walk this beat. Teach them how to eat and to seek for peace. Son, I stamp this name living proof cause I mean what I say. Bring the fake to reality and make them pay. Yo, these ghetto rhyme stories got them scared to death. I'm trying to get the fuck out, see what the world's about. Check it, 1986 is when I reach my peak. Take my brothers out of state and try to make some ends meet. First destination Texas and it's just like that. Making moves with my brothers and there's no turning back. We got 36 grams on the scale right now. Getting ready with my brothers, time to break this shit down. I'm not about killing my people, but you know how it go. Work with me, not against me, and we'll make mad dough. With my co-defender that when I break down with rap. Hold me back and give me love and now I'm giving it back. A unique sound from the streets and it's just so sweet. My living proof life story, let me break it in peace. Yo, I rock.
Children, yo, it's such a feeling to see all of my live niggas carry on now. Oh, see how I be getting so passionate. I get a thrill even when I bust my gun off by accident. The God bless glory, success story. White boy Billy put a stash up in my armrest for me. The way I fuck shit up is like a fuck fest for me. I get on last and demolish everything before me. We run shit and that's a fact now. You whack now, and ain't no fucking turning back now. So relentless, I won't even let you niggas finish your fucking sentence. Call for the niggas like a school attendance, and then I strike with a fucking vengeance. Finger on my trigger. Figure I blast every last one of you bitch niggas. So, bitch nigga just, you need to just. Police who try to close the club, you really should. You need to just. Bitch, if you ain't got your own dough, you need to just. You really should. And if you frontin' like you really lie, and you know you not, you need to just. The one world alive.
Rust op tijd, er is met DJ B-Ruff. Oh, excellent.